Tangal greetings, here is the simulation of our parking management system. I am Raniel Galang with my partner Justin Mina. Okay, let's start simulating our parking management system. First, we have our components here, the PRR sensor. It senses whenever there is a vehicle in front of the gate, wherein the gate is the servo. Okay. We also have a button for manual handling for the security guard, just in case. And then we have LEDs, red for stop and green for go, for our visual signs for the drivers of the vehicles. And then we have the LCD for communication. So let's try to communicate. Let's say there's something in the sensor will sense a vehicle is approaching. Okay, welcome to the Jurassic Parking Management System. Gate opening. So the gate opens and the LED greens. Have a nice day. Okay, so after 5 seconds the gate will close again and will stop. Okay, and then another vehicle. Okay, so let's also try our button for manual handling, just in case the sensor does not work or suddenly there is an emergency situation. Button is clicked. Okay, welcome to Jurassic Park. Gate opening. Okay. So let's see our code. Here's the code. And here.